YouTube friends, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Mommy Milestones, and today we are sharing some frugal tips in the household. I'm whipping up a quick batch of liquid or gel dishwashing soap. With 5 kids in tow, I forget my shopping list at home on the counter quite a bit. It's always nice to have things on hand for running the household and running the kitchen. It's also really nice to save a lot of money so that we can do other fun things in the family. Making up homemade soaps for use in the home can save you quite a bit, and it is literally fractions of pennies and pennies per load. I have recipes on our channel for homemade hand washing soap, dishwasher soaps, and homemade laundry soaps. We've even got recipes for homemade body scrubs and lotions to give as gifts and to share with our friends and family. So right now I'm grading a bar of Kurt's Castile Sensitive Bar Soap. We're not actually creating any soaps, we're just blending products to make the final product, and this is Kurt's original Castile soap. The Castile soaps are really good because they are gentle for your skin, they are also very good cleaners, and they are low sudsing. The Fells Naphtha soap is also really good for the dishwasher, but I don't recommend it for hand washing. We're doing a dishwasher soap today, and I need a 1/4 cup of grated bar soap. Now, if you had the liquid Castile's soap on hand, you could definitely use that. I'm in Michigan, and our local Myers line has also started carrying their own brand of Castile soap, and it is quite a bit of a savings over the Kurt's Castile liquid soap or the Dr. Bronner's liquid soap. Our main ingredients for this recipe today are 2 cups of water, a 1/4 cup of grated bar soap, 2 tablespoons of distilled vinegar, and a tablespoon of glycerin. Now, we always have glycerin on hand because we make homemade bubbles for the kids. This is our glycerin. It normally comes in this little 6-ounce bottle, and this is about $2.50 at our local Meijer store. You can pick it up generally in the health and beauty section along with the first aid supplies. So right now I've got my water warming, and you can do this in the microwave. I prefer just to do it on the stovetop in the stainless steel pot. So the first thing we're going to do is dissolve our 1/4 cup of bar soap. Now you can see where the money savings really comes into this. That 1/4 cup didn't hardly take anything off of my bar. So the final product really extends the original product that you bought. I get this in a 3-pack. These 3-pack bars are about $2.50. So they're generally less than $1 a bar when I buy it that way. I've even found them with great buys even on Amazon delivered to the house. I always keep a gallon of vinegar on hand for lots of home cleaning products. It's really great to have, and it's really nice. I don't know if you just saw a little guy come in here, to have things under the sink that aren't so toxic and dangerous for him. So now we've added our vinegar, 2 tablespoons, and a tablespoon of glycerin. Now you can measure it out. I tend to eyeball things. So I've got this over a medium heat. As soon as your soap is dissolved, you can take it off the heat and let it cool. As it cools, it'll thicken and turn into a gel. Okay, we're going to take this off the heat now. It has a really gentle smell. I'll tell you that every time I use the Fels Naphtha soap and I have to dissolve it, the whole house smells of it, and the smell kind of bothers me. I don't generally mind smelling a cleaning product for a little while, but to have that smell lingering in the house all night, I don't care for it. The Fels Naphtha is the old standby. My mother has always swore by it. Some people like the Zote. I don't like the fragrant smell of the Zote either. It's very perfumey and a lot stronger. But you can see, if you've ever shopped for the Zote bar, it's twice the size of the Kurtz Castile soap. So when I make my homemade laundry soap, it usually takes 2 bars of the Kurtz Castile. If you've got a family with sensitive skin though, I definitely recommend the Kurtz Castile over anything else. We've got some people in the house with some very sensitive winter eczema going on all the time, and it's very friendly to their skin. Now the best way to store this and use it is to put it in a glass jar. Now you don't want to put this hot in a glass jar because it will crack. If you're going to put it in a glass jar hot, you've got to have the glass jar hot also, just like you do with home canning in the kitchen. So we're going to let this cool. We'll transfer it to a glass jar. I'll have a link in the description for all the ingredients we use. If you like it scented, you could add a little bit of tea tree oil or lavender. Those both have antibacterial properties. This isn't going to suds up and have trouble in your dishwasher, so it's great to use. And best of all, it only takes 1 tablespoon per load. And as a rinse aid, you can save a lot of money just by adding straight distilled vinegar to your rinse aid. So that's our gel or liquid homemade dishwashing soap, everybody. I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.